Hi guys! It's me, Ekay, and another video na naman tayo. So, this is just a Watson's Mini Haul. Ayan. So, bumili lang ako na to kahapon and I just decided to film this today. So, kaya mini kasi konti lang talaga to and I just wanted to share it with you all. So, first, I got this Safeguard. So, pang-refill lang ulit kasi every month naman talaga is talagang refill lang talaga yung binibili ko. So, ito is yung White Camellia body wash. So, this is what I'm using. So, meron ako dyan ganun. And then, tina-transfer ko lang to. Next! So, this is the next one, which is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Acne Foaming Cleanser. Kasi guys, nagkakaroon ako ng breakout. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, ayun, itatry ko to. So, I'll just update you guys if this is effective to me. This is the next one, which is the Pond's. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa lahat ng mga previous haul ko or Watson's haul ko is talagang hindi nawawala yung Pond's na day cream and night cream ko. So, ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko until now. The last one, itong tatlo na to kasi I just bought this from BYS nang naka-sale sila kahapon. So, I'm very happy dahil nabili ko to ng 349. Then, nakuha ko ng free itong lip and cheek and then itong mascara nila, which is saktong-sakto kasi I'm looking for mascara. For my mascara, kasi yung gamit ko is talagang hindi siya suited to me kasi basta nag-aano siya sa eyes ko. I just want to try this BYS. And then, lip and cheek tint kasi actually yung pinaka-hinahanap ko talaga is blush on kasi nagkakaroon ako ng breakouts dito. So, feeling ko dahil sa blush on na ginagamit ko. Pero feeling ko lang yon. So, itatry na lang natin to. So, ayun guys, nakatipid ako ng almost ito kasi is 249 and 249 din tong isa. So, nakuha ko lang sila ng free. Ayan. So, that's all for my mini Watson's haul. And I hope na makakuha rin kayo or makachempo rin kayo ng mga free. Kasi minsan talaga nag-free sila and tsempuhan lang talaga. And I'm very happy na nakapag-purchase ako yesterday para makuha yung free nila. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye! Bye guys!